Alright you guys, here we go. This is the original Delta part. This one is a replacement part. They're differ in price by I think $30 plus tax. The original part is what I'm going to put in because I always put in original parts. The worst case scenario, you'll have to get one of these. You want to zoom in on this so you can see. Okay, remember we told you in the last video that there are 3 different ones. Gabriel, do you want to grab the other one, the other new package and stuff?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Zoom in on that. See it? Okay. And so here's the deal. This one is the same, but look, it's longer at the bottom. See how these two are blue and the same? This gray one is longer, so you don't want this one. It won't fit in there. Okay, so here we go. Now I'm going to take it out of the bag. We're not using anything else other than genuine quartz. What I want to do here is I want to show you the H. Can you see that? It says hot H, and this one, it doesn't say it, but it's the H. Hot always has to be on the left side. So now, let me go ahead. I've cleaned that inside there, and I took out all the debris. Right now it's just dry, right? But the hot water port is on the left. It's in here. Let's see. It's that one, and it had a lot of debris in there, so they probably wasn't getting much water. So I sanded it inside. This is going to be the hot. So I'm going to insert it now. Going to go here. Okay. Here we go. As you see, I got to line these up. I'm going to push in. Hold that, Gabe. Now I want you to focus in on this area. Let's see if I can get this sucker out of the way so they can see. I'm going to push it. Okay. If it doesn't work that way, when you push in, then you just take the nut that's right here that was welded on. So they're fine threads, right? So you take this nut and then you start the thread. Sometimes you got to go back to get it. What I do is I put even pressure on both sides till I catch the metal. Let's see. All right. So let's see here. Move that back. We're gonna go right in here. See how that works? Okay. So I might have to apply some grease or something. Okay, there it goes. Now we are close. When you put stuff in, you just have to, there it is. You hear that click? That click? That right there just told me it was right on the money. Now I just tighten it up. You're going to have a little resistance. So now, it didn't go all the way in as you saw, but now, watch. I'm going to pull it, I'm going to use this to tighten it up. Once you got the threads on, just use this to bring it in. And what I'll do, now I'll just pull back, just to make sure that, my piece is in correctly. Now, see how it moves? You gotta hold this baby in place. Okay, see how it went in quite a bit, but you want to make sure it's in place. Now, what I'll do is I'll put this back. Okay, you hear that? That right there, those 2 clicks means it went right back in its thread. So now it's just a matter of tightening it up. The problem with these things that are kind of like adjustable wrenches, it keeps moving in. Then you got to pull it back out. See that? So I don't really care for these. They're nice because you can use them for multitasking. But when you've got one specific task to do, it's better to use the other kind. So now we got it. We're going to go in and tighten in as much as we can. Okay? With plumbing, you got to find where it goes. Otherwise, you will strip the threads. So I'm not pushing real hard, because what determines this, the thing from coming out is that rubber seal that you saw on it. So we're done with this. We're going to turn on the water and test it. We're going to put all the pieces back. Let me show you how the escutcheon goes. You want to go get that metal piece that slides over. Let me see. There's a rubber gasket there. Okay. On that. And then I need the sandpaper.
Right here, here's the
Sandpaper. Okay, bring in the sandpaper. So here, guys, you see how it's all like, look at the mess, right? Focus on it. There. See that? I'm going to take and clean that up a little bit in there. Okay, I'm going to clean this out. Not that it matters much, because the main thing is the functionality of it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide this ring over the top, right? See it? Okay. Then this will go in there. See how it goes right over the rubber piece? It's supposed to go. So we're going to go. Right? Oh. We're going to take this, pull it there. Okay, now we got it. Okay, now I've got the screws. These, I put them right here again. Okay, so anyways, guys, thank you for watching, and subscribe, please. Please leave any comments down below. Subscribe, hit the bell so I can notify you whenever I'm doing the plumbing. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you.
Have a good day.
Bye-bye.